कनेक्टिविटी के लिए काम कर रही है।
The state government is contemplating to send a proposal to the centre seeking more Mbbs seats from central pool to tide over the shortage of doctors in the state. Health Minister Ampri Lingdo on Friday said that last year the total number of seats allotted to the state was 96. Talking about the bond signed between the students and the government to serve in the state, she said that the signing of bond is something which has been reviewed from time to time. She also stated that earlier the department did not have a state registry and some of the doctors were registering and practicing in other states. But now Meghalaya have its own medical board which is registering the doctors and it's being made compulsory.
What do you call them? They have their own associations. We need to sit and discuss these matters in a more productive manner. It's not that we should target these doctors. So the point here is that all of this has been a tradition in the government. Now I need to look at why these things have not been done, and we need to figure out a way forward. But to begin with, I was told that the first biggest hurdle was the registry of doctors in a Meghalaya board. But so, now it is there. These are all, like I told you, situations where doctors have been given this liberty in the past. Whether we can change this and make it binding is something else. That decision we need to take in consultation with the community of doctors themselves first.